Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with GoCardless Direct Debit. Review my recurring payments experience. GoCardless Direct Debit. Review my recurring payments experience offers a streamlined way to manage recurring payments, primarily targeted at businesses that need to collect recurring subscriptions or invoices. It seems to be designed to simplify the process of setting up and managing direct debit payments, handling things like authorization, payment collection, and failed payment retries. Key features likely include automated payment schedules and detailed reporting. Their website provides details on their various plans and integrations. They highlight the ease of use and automation, emphasizing reduced admin overhead and improved cash flow. They boast a no hidden fees approach with transparent pricing based on transaction volume. GoCardless leverages bank-to-bank technology to process payments directly, supposedly leading to higher success rates and lower fees compared to card-based recurring payments. You can check availability and specific features on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using GoCardless Direct Debit. Review my recurring payments experience. Setting up my account was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process guided me through connecting my business bank account and setting up my first payment plan. The interface is clean and intuitive. I was able to easily create a new subscription plan, defining the amount, frequency, and start date. I tested it by setting up a few dummy subscriptions and the system handled them flawlessly. Navigating the dashboard is a breeze. All the key information like upcoming payments, successful transactions, and failed payments is clearly displayed. The system automatically retries failed payments, saving me a ton of time. I even had a quick question about integrating with my accounting software, and their support responded within a day via email with a helpful and detailed answer. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it easy to reconcile payments and track my cash flow. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated payment retries. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, though I could access the website on my phone without any major issues. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for things like custom payment schedules, but overall, the learning curve wasn't too steep. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with GoCardless. While a mobile app would be a nice addition, it generally met my needs and simplified my recurring billing process considerably. That's my overview of GoCardless Direct Debit. Review my recurring payments experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.